Water shortage alarm. Using tank mode, add enough 5 liters of water. The machine still alarms 3 to 5 seconds after startup. Remove the water tank cover and filter. Lift the float by hand for 3 seconds and observe if the machine emits a beeping sound. If no beep sounds, replace the water tank. Machine alarms 3060S after tank mode starts. Check if water is entering the bottom of the machine normally. If water intake is normal, check if the flow meter terminals are loose. If the connections are not loose, replace the water tank. Open the door to check that the bottom of the machine is not flooded. Remove the 4 fixing screws on the bottom. Remove the power board box. Check if the booster pump's power board terminal is loose. If it is loose, replace the booster pump. Using faucet mode, the machine alarms 3 to 5 seconds. Check if the faucet water output is normal. Using faucet mode, the machine alarms 30 to 60 seconds. Open the door to check that the bottom of the machine is not flooded. Check if the water inlet valve terminal is loose. If it's normal, replace the water inlet valve. The machine has alarmed for water at the bottom after opening the door. Remove the base and check if the flow meter terminal is loose. If normal, replace the water tank.